Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy to Learn. So let us continue with the module 1 of SADP. Okay, in the previous video I have taught you what is the design pattern and what are all its essential elements, right? Okay, so in today's video let us learn other important topics that comes in your VTU examination. Okay, so the question is templates used in describing the design patterns. Okay, um, so before describing all the templates, let's understand what template is. Template is nothing but it's a tool, right? It's a tool used for doing some performance or operations, what we call. Okay, next tools used for describing the design patterns, it is templates. Okay, so there are about 13 templates in design patterns. They are pattern name and classification, intent, also known as motivation, applicability, structure, participants, collaborations, consequences, implementation, sample code, known uses, and related patterns. Coming to pattern name, as we discussed in the previous video, pattern name is just it's a relationship. It describes the relationship, problem, consequences that arise in the problem, right? That is what pattern name is. Next, it's intent. Intent is nothing but an intention of applying the given solution. Next, also known as it's nothing but the alias name for a given pattern. Okay, for example, in command pattern, what command pattern we will come across it in the next coming videos. Now let me give a small example for what also known as is. So example for also known as is the command pattern. There in command pattern, we give the alias name as action or the transaction. Okay. Next is motivation. It's nothing but what motivated us to use the design pattern to solve the particular problem. Next is applicability. That's a usage. Why did you apply it? Why did you apply that solution for a given problem? Okay, next is structure. This is nothing but the working of given design patterns to solve particular problem. Next is participants. The participants are nothing but the structure members. Like what are all the members that include in the structure. Next is collaborations. Collaborations is nothing but why do we use all that thing comes under it. You can write the same thing. Applicability and collaborations can be of same. Okay. Next is consequences. Consequences is nothing but after applying the design pattern, how did it affect the given problem, whether it is solved or all that things. Okay. Next is implementation. How do you implement a given design pattern for a given solution. Okay. Next is sample code. It's nothing but a code for a given solution, like how does it work. Okay. Next is known uses. Yeah, it's just about no, it's just uses, like how do we use the given design pattern. Next is related pattern. It's just the related patterns that occur in given design patterns. Okay. The next most important question that comes in your video question paper is catalog design patterns. Here you need to mention what are all the design patterns that comes under the catalog design patterns. Okay, so there are about 23 design patterns. I have just mentioned about 10 of them here. So they are adapter, bridge, builder, command, decorator, iterator, mediator, observer, proxy, and state. We'll discuss about all these patterns in upcoming videos. As of now, just remember all these design patterns. Okay. Okay, this is all about today's video. So guys, please understand that the purpose of giving this important question is for the student, to help the students. Okay, for those who score less in the examination. If you learn all these questions, you can easily pass. no need of worrying at all, because during my student life I did the same thing. I just learned all these things. It's more than enough to get pass marks. Not even a pass marks, guys, you will get distinction too if you learn this. Okay, so please go through the videos and enjoy learning with me. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you, guys.